Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create content using the custom library inside Vidempire. Now, if you're using the custom library for video generation, you'll need to provide your own images for every type of video, whether it's shorts, long form, or anything in between. So once you're inside Vidempire, head over to the background image folder. For this example, we've created a folder named Kitty Club. Inside that, we've organized 3 separate folders: long, short, and one for thumbnails. For long-form videos, drop your images into the long folder. Most of the images I used here were created using various AI tools like Leonardo.ai or Midjourney. In our case, some even generated with other AI image platforms outside of Vidempire. You can use tools like ChatGPT with image generation plugins too if you want. Now the cool part, Vidempire software is smart enough to not repeat images often. So as long as you've got enough pictures in your folder, you won't see the same one pop up multiple times in a single video. That means each short or long video will feel fresh. Once your images are ready, head back to the software and we'll start by creating an input file. Here's how that input file is structured. First, your script or content, then a separator, usually a vertical bar. After that, the name of your background music folder. In our case, it's called Cats. Next, the video type. Here it's set to short. Then, the YouTube token name. In our case, as shown on the last video, it is CatYT. Since we're not generating new images using AI in this case, there's no need to add an image generation prompt. But if you want, you can still include a text generation prompt. It helps the script make more sense contextually. We're scheduling the post for today and setting the YouTube category to 15, which is for pets. The background image folder name again is Kitty Club. Once everything's set up, let's go ahead and generate the video. In this example, we're making a 40-second video with 8 scenes, so around 5 seconds per image. We're not using AI-generated images here, just our custom ones. In the advanced options, you can choose your font and other details. Since we're creating a short, a thumbnail isn't required. Just hit save, import your data, and click execute and progress. Now the scenes are being generated. Since we're using custom images, there's no image generation cost involved, only a small fee for the scripting process. And let me tell you, if you create strong visuals, you'll get high-quality, eye-catching videos every time. So why should you use Vidempire even when you're supplying your own images? Simple. Scale. Let's say you upload 50 images to your folder. You can easily create 100+ videos with that. Compare that to paying for each video elsewhere. You'll spend way more than your monthly subscription with Vidempire. Let's check on the generation status. Vidempire has already completed 4 scenes out of 8. Now it's compiling everything into the final video. Keep in mind, the processing speed depends on your computer's specs. The more RAM and CPU power you have, the faster it'll go. If your system is low on resources or multitasking, it might take a little longer. Once it's done, you'll see the final video and the status update in the log section. And that's it. The video has been uploaded successfully with no errors. Let's check it out on YouTube. Looks great. Super clean visuals and perfect pacing. So that's all for now. Get your Vidempire license today and start skyrocket your channel. For real-time support, tips or tricks, join our Facebook group and Discord. See you on next video. Stay safe, make more money.